To set up app lock in OnePlus 15, first of all, let's open the settings on our device. Next step is to go to security and privacy, and then first thing here is to check the device unlock. You will need to make sure that you have a screen lock set up like I'm doing right now. So if you have a password, you'll be able to move into the next step. So the password is set. Now we can proceed. Scroll down all the way to the bottom, go to the app lock right here and set your privacy password first. So we'll be using the password like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can go for anything that you like, just make sure to remember it. Let's use this anyway. And then we can change our security question or recovery email. I'm gonna go for a question and just write some gibberish. Okay, so we have our app lock set up. Now you can activate the privacy password to access locked apps, and then you'll be able to lock specific apps. As you can see, I've locked 3 of them, and now if I go back and try to access one of those apps, I think there was a Google Chrome right there, so let's try to open that. It will require me to enter that password. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.